Hey everyone, this is Sean Bell from Bell's Bears coming at you today, showing you a typical day out in the snowbank, trying to find a piece of wood to go carve something. I think I set my plans on a climbing cub bear. I found this nice piece of cedar just laying out in my log pile. Gotta take a few things off here. And this is a how-to video. You just gotta cut those ears out like that, take a few pieces off the side like that. And just work your way down, throw some things around like that. And first you gotta get your chaps out and your glasses. Oh, and you should have a saw. So any of you guys that need a saw, go get one of those first. Make sure you wear all the safety stuff all the time. Just if nothing else, keeps your jeans nice and clean so your wife won't holler at you. And you just take a few pieces off, just keep working at it. This is a quick carve that I did today. By the time I get it out of the log pile or so, have some lunch. Might take me all day, but just play around with it, burn it, and add a few details. Yeah, there we go. And use a little torch on his nose there and add some paint. This is cedar, never rot, but effect. And it'll help with cracking. Give him a few eyes. And there he is, finished product. And so much fun. Hey, or visit us at bellsbears.com on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at SeanBell98.